One thing I cannot live without in the pastry kitchen is a parchment paper cone. I use them all the time whenever I need a quick little intricate piping work or something like that to be done, very fine scrolling, or just really small amounts of something that I'm using that I don't want to fill up a whole big pastry bag. So I'm going to do my best job in showing you how to make parchment paper cones. Now, I always do have my parchment paper cut to 12 by 18, which is a half sheet pan size. And then we're going to take each parchment paper and cut them down lengthwise like a triangle, and cut it into a perfect triangle from one corner to the next. And I'll always just do a bunch of these ahead of time so that they're already cut into triangles and I could just grab one whenever I need one. Okay, here is our parchment paper triangle. This is my right hand, so this point is in my right hand. But I always start with the top point and fold it down and make a cone shape so it actually meets that first point. And if you notice over here, I have a pretty good tip going on. So now just take the bottom and fold it all the way around, and then all 3 points now meet over here. And I'll always just take all 3 points and tuck them in like that, just to keep them secure, because then it's not going to go anywhere. My tip is really pointy. You're going to fill your bag with whatever it is you're filling and snip the tip and go. I'll do it again. You could always staple it right here. For beginners, I always say to staple this right here so that it really is not going to open up on you. I don't know. I hope this is a good visual. It's kind of awkward. You guys really need to just be standing here over my shoulder. Now basically what you see that I'm doing here with my thumb, I'm pretty much just moving it in and out, and as I do, it gets tighter or it gets looser. Or you could just use them as paper airplanes. One thing I can absolutely not live without, does that make sense? Not live without? One thing I cannot live without